Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can edit your Wix website. So first of all you can type wix.com and then you can go to Wix Studio. After that you need to select website and now simply click on edit site. Now here you can see Wix Editor is loading. It works like page builders. You can design anything in your Wix website. You can add new sections as well as you can edit existing content in your Wix website. So now Wix editor is active. Now if you want to edit any of the content, just you can click and change the content. For example, I want to change it to enable website design, and then here you can see font size. I can reduce it. Then I can select font family, font style, heading 1, 2, 3. Then there are a couple of other typography options. Let me scroll down. Here you can see I can align, bold, make it italic and underline. Also I can link it to any page. So these are the typography options in Wix website. And after that, if you want to change image, just you can click on the image. And basically this is the blog post. You need to go in blog post settings to change this. Again scroll down. These are the images. Click here, then again click on settings. Then you need to select content tab. So in template tab you will get different template designs that you can easily select and change the template. You can also start designing from scratch. So if I go in content tab, here you can see image options. You can delete any of the image, you can duplicate, you can also upload image file from your laptop. Just you can click on add element, and if you want to replace image, just you can click on the image and then scroll down, replace the image. You can also link this image to any page. You can add SEO alt tag. So these are the important for the SEO perspectives. If you want to change header and menu items, then you need to go in pages and menu. You can simply sort, arrange, organize and add new menu items. So in this way you can easily edit your Wix website.